Hey everybody, David of SpexCrete. Recently we were contacted by a contractor who needed a lightweight self-leveler for an apartment restoration job. The apartment had some damage, needed to be lifted up about 3/4 of an inch. And so what we did was we used a SpexCrete water-based bonding agent. The good thing about that is it's VOC compliant and it comes ready to use. No site dilution required. Just get in there and spray it on down. Then we topped it off with the SpexCrete 70, about 70 to 75 pounds a cubic foot, 4,000 PSI, single component, shrinkage compensated, easy to use self-leveler. So we use this lightweight self-leveler and it really raises the floor up beautifully, easy to barrel mix and lay it on down smooth. So check it out. Hey, this is David of SpexCrete. We just did a multi-family apartment building renovation job using the SpexCrete 70 lightweight self-leveler. Just need to level out and rehab a floor, and the 70 went down very nicely and did not add much weight of a dead load. So next time you need a lightweight self-leveler, call SpexCrete 440-462-1500. And David with SpexCrete if you need a lightweight self-leveler for a renovation job. 440-462-1500. Thanks so much. Have a great day.